Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin and we have an unboxing here. This should be a strap. I think it's an elastic strap. I bought it a little while ago from, well, Amazon, obviously, from the packaging here. I think I bought it during the Prime Day, so it was a little while ago. I don't remember what I paid for it either, so let's just take a quick look at it here. I'll wear it for a little while and perhaps do a full video on it. Okay, so it looks like it's a strap for a G-Shock. Really don't care for the factory resin strap that comes on them. And then I have one on a combi bracelet. Anyway, let's oh, you know, I think about this mainly because it was the adapters here, but also it has a strap too, an elastic strap. So I'll have to figure out which one of my G-Shocks I'll try this on. I don't think it was all that expensive either. I think it was between 10 and 15 bucks. Actually, this should work on the Casio as well. So yeah, it seems like it'll work well. Now let me find a G-Shock to put this on. I'll put this on it real quick and just see how it looks. Otherwise, it'll be kind of a lame unboxing video. But it comes with spring bars here and the spring bar tool. So let me find a G-Shock and I'll put this on that. Alright, so I grabbed a G-Shock out of my collection here. Which reminds me, I've been meaning to do a full video on this one and sell this one too. I have a number of watches I need to sell off, but anyway. Let's see if we can get this off of here and install this other one quickly. Might have to pause the video. It has these quick release bars in here, but I can't reach them with my fingernail. There we go. Not exactly sure which way. I think I want to put it on like this, I guess, so I can cinch that down. Looks like they give you 3 spring bars. Might have to do this off camera so I can pull it over here and use the magnifying visor so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, let me pause the video so I can see what I'm doing here. Well, it wasn't too bad to get it in there. Just I'm a little concerned because it's a bit of a loose fit, so I thought I didn't have it in there properly. But the hole for the adapter is a little bit big, and then also the end of the spring bar. Let's see if I can show you this. The tip of the spring bar is smaller than the tip of the factory spring bar. Hopefully that's focusing. Oh, this is annoying. Let's see. Hopefully you can see that there. So the tip of the factory spring bar is a lot thicker. It's probably twice the diameter of the replacement spring bar here. So that's why it's a little bit of a loose fit, but it does work. Well, at least I got it on the watch. So let me get this on wrist and see how it fits on my wrist. I think it looks too bad. Been searching for a while for a comfortable strap for the G-Shock. So yeah, it's a little bit loose on my wrist right now. So let me cinch this down. No, let's just tighten it all the way. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that's all the way tight right there. Yeah, that's probably what I would need to do, is tighten that all the way down. It takes a little bit of effort to slide it on and off wrist, but it feels pretty comfortable actually. I will search up my order history and I'll leave a link in the description to this strap below. Let me know what you think of it. I don't like how it's loose like this, but I mean it works. It's not coming off my wrist. If you don't play with it, it's fine. I don't think you're gonna, in normal use, you're not gonna hear or feel that clicking around there. So that oh, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out. And that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.